Hello, everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from L.
And O,
Diamond
diamond
Painting.
painting. I'm Lenore.
I'm Lee. Sorry, automatically just think, oh, everybody knows me. What we have here is entitled Wolf Dreamcatcher. It's a DAC. It was given to us by a friend who Lenore will
Chocolate
mention in just a
diamonds.
moment.
Chocolate diamonds.
Yes, chocolate diamonds.
Yep.
I was going to have you mention it while you were
Oh, okay.
reading the notice.
Okay.
It is a. Hold
Can
on
you
just a
read
second
that?
here. Yeah, I can. Well, no, it's a
It's on the side.
16.5
Oh,
by 25.6 or 42 by 60 centimeter diamond painting. It is a round kit. Here is the side thumbnail of it, and there's the painting. It has, of course, I just put the box back down. 52 colors, including. That 52 or
do you
32?
want me to do? I think it's 32, but you want me to do that part?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I can't read it. I'm too
He
blind.
needs glasses.
Yes, I
No,
do.
it's 50, it's 32 colors, including 2 ABs and 1 special.
And the special is this one here, Y103. Don't know what they call them because I'm not up on the drills. One of these days I'll get a cheat sheet, figure it all out. But for right now, I just do it this way.
Yep.
The color palette is as such. See if I can get them into focus here. Some nice vibrant colors, but some really muted ones as well.
Oh, it's because of the animal and the background.
Huh?
Because the animal in the background, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, the animal was actually the
colors, the darker colors.
bigger
Yeah. Oh, of
of the
course the
picture
animals.
because it's a full well with only a small
Yeah.
dream catcher.
Yeah.
So, and the super long train, which is going to be so much fun to people. Oh, there's 310s. There's all kinds of 310s, which are black.
Yeah.
Yeah. We all know that.
Yeah, even I know that. I know nothing.
141, which is one of the ABs, which is anything under 150, if I remember correctly.
No.
Of course, if I could keep it up on the dam. And 138, there's a couple of. No, there's only 138. Okay, never mind. It's a nice, shiny,
Oh, I
bluish
love those. Yeah.
turquoise.
The turquoise is a favorite color of mine.
That one right there.
Oh, that's pretty.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
I'm just reaching right in front of the camera. Everybody, what happens when you set things up backwards. But as I said, that was given to us by
What?
our friend. Are you going to read it?
Well, I don't care, but
You can read it. It was given to you.
I know.
It was a gift to Lenore, by the way. It says, hello, love bug, with some hearts. And she's sending hearts.
Yep.
I love when she sends hearts. Sorry it took so long sending this, but, well, there's nothing there. I also included Mac's silicone that I have seen on several creators' channels. P.S. Check out the cover minder. Talk to you soon. D, aka Chocolate Diamonds. The cover minder.
Yep.
That she is talking about. Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't it pretty?
Is right here. As soon as I can get it to focus. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Got all kinds of neat little things inside.
Yeah.
Of course, it comes with the tray,
Yeah.
the washi tape.
Usual suspects.
Yep, the usual suspects.
And that's the max.
Pen, the OG pen.
Mm-hmm.
A couple of multi-placers, and pink wax.
And that's max.
And yeah, it's funny because when I first read it, even after she told me, the Max Pillow Soft Silicone Putty earplugs. Tell me, does that really look like an earplug? You must have really, really big ears. I mean, I'm not even sure the Jolly Green Giant could wear those. Come on now. But no, it's actually a putty that a lot of people are using for diamond painting. I will have to find out how it works and let you know.
And I just want to say thanks to Dee.
Yep.
She's a love bug too.
Yes, she is. She's a sweet lady.
Mm-hmm.
A very sweet lady, but it is really pretty. I'll try to put this on pause and be right back. And now for a more close-up look. You, of course, have the title and the whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Suniva Meister is the artist.
Okay.
All of DAC's socials.
Mm-hmm.
And a place where you can actually send your completed artwork to show off on DAC's one of DAC's socials. Your warranty. And the symbols. The schematic or legend or whatever you want to choose to call it.
Yep.
It has the logo at the top. Their little saying, "Do what makes you sparkle."
Mm-hmm.
Diamond Art Club. And here is a view of the drill field. Look at those eyes.
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
It is a round kit, as you can no doubt see from the drill field.
Lee would have stolen this from me.
Yeah, had it been squares, I probably would have stolen it from her. Well, actually, if it had been squares and an eagle, I might have stolen it from you. But if I tried to steal this one from you, my brother would probably have a fit. Because he's the wolf person.
Yes, he is.
But, so there it is. I am going to have fun watching Lenore work on it.
Mm-hmm.
And if she lets me, might even help her out a little bit.
Of course I'll let you, honey.
But we'll see.
Yeah.
As my finger gets in the way of the lens. Anyway, have a wonderful day. We will see you. Well, this is Saturday, so we will see you this evening. The Caregivers Live is later than usual. It's on at 7:00 tonight. Give people time to have their picnics and cookouts and whatnot for the holiday weekend.
Yep.
So just remember, do not fake it until you make it. Believe it until you receive it. And until next time, bye.
Bye.